having fun tonight? Yeah. Y'all can do better than that. Y'all having fun? Yeah. Turn up for what? Say what? Who got the money?
I got the money.
I see you. You got the keys?
I got the keys. All
right now.
Try holding the beamer.
All right now. I left Callie at home. You got the keys to that. I think he's in Bahamas, somewhere being silly in Bahamas. So, first and foremost, I feel like I'm in church. Poe, Tarzan, thank you for having me.
You already know.
Sorry I was a little late, but I love coming to this venue. This venue is lit. Word.
It's like your third time.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Damn, I don't rap. I feel like you the hype man. Word. 3 words. I feel hype. Word.
Yeah, I got your back.
Can you do like a DMX? What?
I ain't got that.
Nah, he ain't got that. All right, let me shut up. I'm Brandon Robinson.
I killed that.
Oh God, you killed it.
He killed it. I go by the name Scoop B. You can follow me on Instagram at Scoop_B. I am the host of the daily podcast called Brown and Scoop on CBS Radio's Play.it Podcast Network. If you guys are into podcasts, my show is along guys like Drink Champs, Noriega, Rap Radar with Elliot Wilson and B-Dot. I have my own lane. I'm a little younger, but I'm on the grind. I'm doing my thing. And I interview sports, entertainment, lifestyle, rappers, politicians, and you know, we do our thing. Me and my co-host Jake Brown. I'm also a writer. I just penned a piece the other day for you guys. I don't know if you saw it. Big ups to Tarzan, wrote it in Respect magazine. And then you wanted me to come out here and talk to people about investing in their brands.
Exactly. Real talk. A lot of artists, you invest into the wrong things.
I mean, it's the summertime. How many of y'all was turned up all summer? Y'all was quiet when I said what's up. How many of y'all was turning up over the summer?
Right here.
Where y'all go?
Yeah.
Where you go?
AC.
Word. Where's that voice come from? Is that Poe?
That was the air conditioner.
Oh, what's up, Jay? So back to what I'm saying, invest in your brands. How many of you guys actually seriously invest into your brand?
Right here. Yeah.
What do you do to invest into your brand?
Everything.
Be more specific.
Clothing line.
I wear my own clothes.
You what?
I wear my own clothes.
You got dashikis and stuff, right? Nah, I like it. You look good. Got that silhouette going. Camera, put the camera on her. Got that silhouette going. What's the name of your brand? What's the name of it?
003.
003?
003. You better sound like you know that's your brand. 003.
Hey, Brandon.
What's up? What's
Yo,
up?
I got on Snapchat. Her shit fire too.
A word?
Yeah, her shit fire.
Oh, alright. And you trying to be all shy. I see you. So investing in your brand. So you said studio time, making your own clothes. What else?
Jersey Clippers, barbershop.
Cutting hair. What they say on Friday? She sell weed, babysit. What she say? Sell weed, babysit, and
No, we don't same house.
at the same time. Don't know when to come in.
We don't.
No, I know. I'm kidding. But to the point of that is, it's good to invest in yourself. But how many of you guys want to be seen?
Yeah, everybody.
How many of y'all want to be seen?
How many of y'all really want to be seen? You got to invest in yourself.
Real talk.
I'm a writer. I have a show. You guys got to go on Instagram. You got to go on Twitter and build relationships with those people. I'll give you a perfect example. So a buddy of mine, he's based in Chicago. I don't want to put his business out there, but he is an indie guy. He's on the rise. He's, you know, Chicago, as you guys know, is a very tough market to crack. And he flew me and he flew another writer from Hip Hop DX to Chicago to listen to his listening party. Put us up in a hotel. Did what he's supposed to do. It's not about me. I don't want to sound like a Baptist preacher. But this is what I want to say. If you guys want to be seen, you want to be heard, you got to invest in yourself. That's building relationships with writers, building relationships with those people that are the tastemakers. You guys hear that word tastemakers a lot? Does anybody know what a tastemaker is? No? McDonald's tell you their Big Mac tastes good, right? So from a kid all the way to an adult, you're told you want to go to McDonald's, you want to go get pizza, the Ninja Turtles toys are cool. Somebody's basically telling you what tastes good. You know that Coca-Cola tastes good because they tell you. So basically what a tastemaker does, if I can have your attention up here, what a tastemaker does is a tastemaker tells you what is hot. People like Yes Jules, people like Karen Civil, people like Sway, people like Ebro in the Morning and all those guys. They decide what is popping. They are the gatekeepers. So, people like DJ Tarzan, he's a tastemaker because he's all invited you here. If I can have your attention up here, I promise I won't
Quiet down, quiet down, quiet down.
Investing in yourself is the next level to get to where you have to get. SoundCloud is cool. How many of you guys have your own websites? Do you know why that's important? Why is that important? Not just, that's a part of it. But in addition to that, everybody got a SoundCloud. Everybody has YouTube. But you have to have a landing page. You guys know about what SEO is? Search engine optimization? Okay, so at search engine optimization, if you go on Google right now and you search my name, Brandon Scoop B. Robinson, you're going to see articles from CBS, The Source Magazine, some of those other things. But I also have a landing page. If you go to my website, scoopb.com, you have to have a landing page where appearances here, appearances there, they set you apart from everybody else who simply has a SoundCloud link. So basically, it's a landing page. So having a SoundCloud or YouTube is the first step. But wherever you put your music to get listens, that's great. But you have to have a landing page. It doesn't cost much to go onto a site and reserve a name so that you can have soandso.com. So I leave you with those words. Everybody talks about investing in your future and having a plan. But what sets you apart? SoundCloud is great. YouTube is great. They're making a ton of money off of people, doing what they do. But what sets you apart as an entrepreneur or a brand? Think of yourself as a brand, just like I mentioned Coca-Cola and McDonald's. What sets you apart? Make sure that you have a website. You talking to me or you good?
Hold it down, please.
I'm trying.
Whatever you have, and I want it.
For real.
But no, I'll leave you with this. All right now, I want to leave you with this. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. The studio time is great, but work smarter, not harder. Because at the end of the day, it would be a shame for you to put all that money and time into studio time, and you're put into a box like everybody else because you just have a SoundCloud link, you just have a YouTube link.
Right.
And you don't put it into putting it on your website, getting to know the right writer who can put you to the next level. Jay-Z's my favorite rapper. He says, for the right price, I can do what? I can make your shit tighter. So, make sure that you're thinking 10 steps ahead from somebody who's to your left, to your right, and who's in another country or in another town.
Word.
That's it. You guys have any questions? I'm here. We can talk. Pope, Tarzan, thank you for having me.
You already know. Yo, real talk. Everything he said. Make some noise. Make some noise.
Make some noise for Brandon Robinson, man.
If you're in a building and you have a brand, you should talk to Brandon Robinson, Vel Works, DJ Scripps, Theo Brown. There's no reason. This is the reason they're here. So if you got a CD, a shirt, whatever, you feel me? Make sure they get it. I mean, if they don't get it, make sure I get it. You feel me? Yeah. Paul.
Yo, next up to the stage.